Now factorize 6y squared minus 5y minus 4. So this question here, we have 6y squared minus 5y minus 4. So we need to find what we call the product. The product here, it will be 6 times negative 4, which is this should be negative 24. Then sum, it means negative 5. Now we need to look at the factors. Factors, it means two numbers, when we add, they will give us negative 5, but when we multiply, they give us negative 24. Okay, so those two factors, when we add, they give us negative 5. When we multiply, they give us negative 24. It is negative 8 and 3. When we multiply negative 8 times 3, it will give us negative 24. When we add negative 8 plus 3, to give us negative 5. So at this point here already we have the factors. So it will be 6y squared minus, we take the factors now, 8y plus 3y minus 4. Okay, then at this point here we look at the common factor. The common factor between 6y squared minus 8y. Now the common factor here, it will be 2y into 2y goes to 6y squared how many times? That is 3y minus 2y goes to 8y, that is 4, plus 3y minus 4y, the common factor is 1. 1 goes to 3y, that is 3y, minus 1 goes to 4, 4. So at this point here, you see 3y minus 4y is the same as 3y minus 4 on the other side of the bracket. So I picked 2y plus 1, and I also pick one of it here, that is 3y minus 4. So the answer, it will be 2y plus 1, 3y minus 4.